Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use dual apps on Vivo for WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. If you want to use dual apps on your Vivo phone, so let's see how can you do this. There are two different ways. The first way is that you have to enable split screen on your phone. So just scroll down your control panel and here look for split screen. Here's the option, just tap on it and then your phone will divide into two screens. First you have to open any app as I open this one. Now scroll down and then enable split screen. Here you can see I have enabled split screen. Here's two apps. So the second way is that you have to enable this sidebar. So we're going to enable it. First you have to open your phone settings. In settings you have to go for main settings and then accessibility. Here's accessibility, just tap on it and here you will get the option of split screen and small window. First you have to tap on split screen and then you have to enable this settings, which is split screen settings. You have to enable it and after that you have to enable small window. Just enable it and then you have to enable smart sidebar. You just have to enable it. And now where you're going to use this, you have to scroll your sidebar and here you can use any other app in a small window. As I'm going to use calendar, so just tap on it and it will be open in a small window. You can minimize it. You can use any other app in small window. Just enable it and here you have to select the app which you want to use. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it. So here you can see I am using two or three apps at a time. So that's how you can easily use dual apps on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.